Alright. Next one.
I'm not going on twice.
Why not?
Because I don't want to go on twice.
Okay. Then shoot it all the way.
Don't shoot it all the way either.
Okay.
Please. Don't. No.
Good age. Don't worry. It'll be good. No. Head back. I'm with you.
I hate this. Oh, stomach feeling. Oh. Okay. Good.
You're okay? You're good?
I think. Oh, that hate. That sucks. Okay. I hate the stomach feeling. That's what I hate the most about this ride is the stupid stomach feeling. It's going down. Going up is fine. Going down is
All right, you did it. Yeah.
Yay.
Look at the camera and wave. I know. Hey, that's not nice.
Well, I don't care.
At least you did it. Honestly, I'm proud of you.
I did it with you and for you.
You're gonna go a second time for me? We'll put it on.
If it's on the lowest one, fine. I really don't want to go again though.
Well, I'll put it on the lowest one.
I don't want to go again.
I promise I'll put it on the lowest.
I don't want to go again.
But you just said if you would go again, we'll put it on the lowest. So I was like, okay.
I don't want to go again, but I will if I must. I'd rather go on that one. Guys, put your legs straight off of me, please.
Wait, what? Okay. Second time, just 50%, okay?
Yeah. That shit gonna click or what?
That was funny. It was like that.
Yeah, like is it gonna click or what?
It's on. Yeah. What's up?
You are lucky I like you. You are very, very, very lucky I like you.
I'm gonna be nice. So
Yes, please.
Just 50.
Don't go all the way.
Are you recording the second one or what? What? I'm gonna have both videos. Okay.
Alright, let's go.